Hey friends, it's Latif for Pierreville and welcome to the new update on ERD token. That is the most strongest bullish token among the top 100 cryptocurrencies and tokens that has surged more than 2300%. And in today's video, we will try to understand what the price action can do next and how the price action completed a bullish setup before this big bullish move. First of all, let me show you that the ERD has a really very big event on 30th of July, and this is the tweet by them. And when you play this video that they have shared, then you can see the details about this mainnet launch. Let me show you. So this is the date that they have announced on this video, that is 30th of July at the end of this month. And if we move to the coinmarketcap.com, this is the 4th of July when they announced on the Twitter. And if we move to the coinmarketcap.com and move to the historical data, then this is the 4th of July, and we can see that the market cap of ERD token was $69.7 million. And now, if we see the current situation, that is more than $200 million, $200.1 million. That is more than 180% increment in the market cap of ERD token. And we can have idea that how many people and how many traders are interested to trade and buy the ERD token more and more. Before moving to the live chart and show you the live price action, I would like to show you first of all this blog that I've just started recently, and I am sharing all the detailed analysis about different assets here, and you will all find all the details here. That will be really very helpful for you guys, and I hope that you will also support my blog as you are supporting my channel as well, and that is moon333.blogspot.com. I am also sharing the details, the link of this blog in the video description as well. You can find there. Now let's move to the live chart. And first of all, we will try to understand how the ERD completed the bullish setup and how we could get the bullish signals by the price line of ERD before this bullish move. And I've placed the moon phases indicator. The price action was moving in a down channel for the long time since August 2019. And on this chart, you can easily observe that we have big number of full moons above this resistance of the channel as compared to the dark moons. The dark moons were at the support or above the support, and this was a clear indication that it will be difficult for the price line to break down or move down than this level. And the full moon was were giving us the clear signal that it will be possible for the price line to break out this resistance of the channel. I've also placed this directional movement indicator and the volume oscillator. This is really very powerful indicator that shows the power of volume, whether it is the sell volume or the buying volume. For example, if we watch here, this blue one is the positive directional indicator, and this red one or orange one is the negative directional indicator. That is the bullish line, this blue one, and this orange one is the bearish line. Here we can see that the blue line was above this bearish line, so this was the bullish signal that the price action can move up from here. And we have a powerful volume oscillator with the value of 57. I'm just placing the cursor here. You can see the values at this level, and that was the 57. That was a really very powerful oscillator, and that was the buying oscillator. Then again, we had the powerful bullish signal by the this positive directional indicator and powerful volume oscillator. Then again, we have the bullish signal from the directional movement and the volume oscillator, and here we have very powerful indication by this directional movement and the oscillator as well. And here again we received the bullish signals by both the volume oscillator and the directional movement. Again and again and again, here we had a really very powerful indication by the volume oscillator, by the directional movement and the volume oscillator. Again, we have several indications, signals by the volume oscillator that the buyers are buying with a big volume Therefore, the price action can at any time break out the resistance of this channel. And this is the ADX that shows the power of bulls. For example, if this bearish line will be moved up and this ADX will be moved up, then this ADX will be showing the power of bears. But at that time, we had this bullish line above this bearish line, and the ADX was moved up with the power of 64. I'm just placing my mouse here, and you can see the value of ADX at this level, and the value of the ADX was more than 64. That was really very powerful signal. And finally, the price action broke out this resistance of the channel and produced more than 2300%. Very, very big bullish rally. And now, if we watch after the 4th July, after when they announced the mainnet launch of ERD token, and then we had the 4th July here on the daily chart. This was the 4th July, and the price action was being consolidated at this level. And when they announced on the Twitter on the 4th of July, after that we can easily observe that the price action after this 4th of July turned very strong bullish again, and this was more than 197%, almost you can say the 200%, almost 200% bullish rally. And now at this time the price action is in the correction mode. Now if we move to this daily chart, and we are already on the daily chart, and I'm just placing these EMA 10 and EMA 21, the exponential moving averages with the time period of 10 and 21. Then the price action is using these EMAs as a very good support. And again, at this time, the price action is also using these EMAs again, the EMA 10 at this time, as a good support. So we can also set our stop loss these two EMAs. For example, if the price action will break down, then we can, for the short time period, we can take exit and wait for the next rally when it will be, these EMAs will be broken out. But however, we can use some other strategies as well that can be used for the short-term exit. If you are in the bullish rally, you are taking the ride of ERD token since when the bullish rally was started. Now, if we move to the smaller time period chart on the 4-hour chart, then the price action has formed a head and shoulder pattern. That is this is the left shoulder, and this is the head, and this is the right shoulder, and this is the neckline. Now, on the smaller time period chart, we can see that this is the neckline that can be also a support for the price line, because if the price line has moved up to this neckline, so the head and shoulder pattern is completed, it is not necessary for the price line to break down this neckline, or it can also break down this neckline. For example, if the price action will break down this neckline, then what can happen if we place the simple moving averages with the time period of at 25, 50, 100, and 200. I have already created a template. This is a really very good feature provided by the Tradingview. You can create the templates of different tools, and you can just load them. You just need to place them again and again. If you don't have an account on the Tradingview, I have also shared the link of the Tradingview in the video's description. You can create even a free account there, and you can use these tools. So let me make this 200 simple moving average visible for you guys. So this is the 200 simple moving average, this is the 100, this is 50, and this is the 25 simple moving average. Now, at this time, the price action on this 4-hour small time period 4-hour chart has broken down this 25 simple moving average and breaking down the 50 simple moving average as well. But if this 50 simple moving average will be broken down completely, as it is broken down, then we can see that the price action can move up to this 100 simple moving average support, and after that it can also move up to this 200 simple moving average as well. If I remove these all indicators and tools, then we can also see another movement by the price action. That is, first it was moving in an up channel. This was the up channel. This was the support, and this was the resistance of this channel. Now, the price line has broken down the support of this up channel, and it is likely to form a down channel at this time. this can be the resistance, and this can be the support of this channel. And the price action is likely to move down more up to this support. I'm expecting if the price action will be moved down, then we can have the 100 simple moving average moving up to provide the support to the price line. For example, let me place the moving averages again. Then I'm expecting that the price, this 100 simple moving average on this 4-hour chart can move up to this support level, and the price action will have another bounce by the 100 simple moving average and the support of this down channel, and after that it can start another bullish rally, as already the price action has formed a head and shoulder pattern and the pattern has been completed. However, there is another possibility that the price action will again move down to this 100 simple moving average, and this 100 simple moving average will be started moving down like we are having this 50 simple moving average, and eventually the price action will be moved down more to this 200 simple moving average up to this level. So there are two possibilities. If this support will be broken down, then we can see the further downward rally up to 100 or 200 simple moving averages on this short term 4-hour chart. And if this support will be saved, then we can expect that the price action can move up to break out this resistance level of this down channel, and it can start another powerful bullish rally. As so far we have seen that the price action did not start any significant correction rally so far. It is in a bullish mode, and it is making the different bull flags. This is the bull flag, likely to be the bull flag. This was the bull flag. We had the bull flag here. We had the bull flag here. But if the correction rally will be started, then it can be from this level. I'm just placing this Fibonacci tool up to this high level, and that can be from 0.382 up to 0.618 or up to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. So far, there is not a single correction rally we have seen so far on this daily chart. And I'm not expecting that the price action will start a correction rally unless the mainnet will be launched, because the people are buying ERD token more and more behind this announcement of this mainnet launch that is expected on 30th of July. So I'm expecting that before 30th of July, it will be difficult for the ERD token to start a correction rally. However, if there will be more updates, I will definitely share with you. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to my channel as well, and do share your comments and questions and opinions in the comment sections with me as well. Take care. Goodbye.